2026 Dodge Polara returns as a modern reinterpretation of one of Dodge's classic full-size sedans, blending retro inspiration with contemporary styling, advanced technology, and a focus on everyday practicality. Designed to reintroduce the Polara name to a new generation of drivers, the 2026 model reflects Dodge's commitment to delivering vehicles that combine strong road presence with comfort and performance. The exterior immediately draws attention with its muscular proportions, bold stance, and sleek aerodynamic touches. A wide front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give the Polara a confident look, while modern wheel designs and smooth curves add refinement. The overall design respects its heritage but feels thoroughly updated for today's expectations. Inside, the 2026 Polara prioritizes comfort, space, and connectivity. The cabin is built with soft-touch materials and an ergonomic layout that enhances the driving experience. Supportive seats make longer trips comfortable, and both rows offer generous legroom, making it suitable for families as well as individual drivers. A large, intuitive infotainment touchscreen anchors the dashboard, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information, while convenience, features like multiple charging ports, available wireless charging, and enhanced climate control make daily driving more enjoyable. Performance-wise, the 2026 Polara is engineered to deliver a smooth, responsive ride rather than raw muscle. It is expected to be offered with a range of modern, efficient powertrains that provide confident acceleration and solid fuel economy. The suspension is tuned to offer a balanced blend of comfort and stability, allowing the Polara to handle city streets, highways, and winding roads with ease. Depending on the market and trim, buyers may have the choice between front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, given the model versatility across different driving conditions. The transmission operates seamlessly, contributing to the calm and composed driving character. Safety and technology are central to the revived Polara's appeal. A suite of advanced driver assistance systems comes standard or available, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a high-definition rear-view camera. These features work together to enhance driver awareness and minimize risks, making the Polara a reassuring choice for everyday use. The infotainment system is quick and responsive, offering voice command options and over-the-air updates that help keep the software current. Practicality remains a strong point for the 2026 Polara, with a spacious trunk that provides ample storage. For luggage, groceries, and long trips, the rear seats can fold down to expand cargo space, making the Polara flexible enough for both daily tasks and weekend adventures. Ride comfort is a highlight, with the suspension absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces while maintaining interior quietness, giving the car a refined, premium feel on the road. The return of the Polara nameplate carries a sense of nostalgia, but Dodge's 2026 model is more than just a tribute. It represents a fresh, modern sedan designed for drivers who want style, comfort, and technology without overcomplicating the experience. By blending a bold exterior, a feature-rich interior, capable performance, and strong safety features, the 2026 Dodge Polara aims to carve out a solid position in the competitive sedan market. It offers a compelling mix of heritage and modernity, targeting buyers who appreciate both classic American automotive identity and contemporary convenience.